guys, good morning. Rodel Flordeliz here of Nognog and welcome to my feed. Check out kami guys. We'll be heading to Washington, D.C. We'll go around and tour. So I'm gonna tour you around. We'll bring you on my tour today. Of course, thank you very much to my outfit. First area, the tower. So tayo punta? What's that? Oh, okay.
White House.
White House. There. So actually, holiday today. So nagantay lang kami ng 9:30 para pwede na kami mag-park along the street. Hindi lang namin yung car doon eh. Doon sa may gilid.
Playhouse. Playhouse.
White House. That one. May Uber sila dito. Cute. Okay guys, so right now we are in front of the White House. Taking a closer look at the White House. Okay, bye. Now we're moving. Right now we're walking around the Washington Monument. There you go. So tall. Okay guys, so I'm at the corner of the Washington Tower. Right now we are heading at the Lincoln Hall on the other side. Nandun naman siya. Dito naman tayo sa World War II Memorial. Okay, so I think katatapos lang ng program. Parang it's a Veterans Day today. They had a program in here.
The Philippines.
Part of World. Okay. So that's why merong ganyan. So chairs are being taken off kasi tapos na yung programa. So etong mga monuments daw on the side, these were the places na parang involved sa war with the US. That's why there's the Philippines in there. South Dakota, Colorado, Nevada. Going here. Ang cute ng mga ducks! So the security said na dito raw mababaw pa yung water, but once you go near, it's 10 feet down, and they made it like that due to some security reasons. So this area na yun, 10 feet yun guys, marami. Finally we're here. Let's go. Here you go. Our nation honors her sons and daughters who answered the call to defend the country they never knew and a people they never met. 1953. To the Korean and US fallen soldiers. Oh, there you go. Did you throw a coin? Where is your coin? Where is it? Where did you throw it? Somewhere there. What? Squirrel? Cute. McDonald's. There. Yes, I want a fries.
Ate kayo ni Mama. Kaya mo
Sige.
putin.
Ordering McDonald's. Smithsonian.
It's like for a parking space.
Reason why people here get fat. Malalaki ng serving. At the National Air and Space Museum. Free entrance to all museums. So you can just hop into one and into the other. Explore the universe.
As time goes by.
This is the day one meal. Look at that pineapple fruit cake. It's the whole place.
Some of the old songs.
We're heading there. This is how it looks like inside.
For time's sake.
Cycle company. So this is the first plane. Okay. So this one
As
is
time goes by.
a bit like. Okay guys, so we're already out. Now heading to another museum, which is just across this one. That is that one. Change of plans. We're not going to visit that museum anymore because they already visited this yesterday. So I guess we're going home. My nephew was actually touring me around, and we'll be staying here for 3 weeks. Okay guys, so I'm finally home. This is going to be my room. I'm sharing this with my mom. This is actually my first day here in the US. We visited some places in Washington, and then we drove all the way here in Virginia Beach for almost 3 hours. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching my vlog. Do not forget to follow me on my social media accounts, and of course follow me of course, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time guys, see you. Ciao.
To you, happy birthday, dear Tito. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
And blue.
How about
Tito's gonna blow. You help it.
1, 2. Yay!
Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Bullfest, bullfest,